Intermediate English.
Reported speech.
Requests and statements.
Scene 1. Review of reported speech for requests and introduction of reported speech for statements.
Do you want to watch more episodes of Millennium High?
Yes, I'm curious to see how John and Sylvia's relationship will evolve.
Hey, Sylvia is there. You two go out, right? Yes, we sometimes go out when we leave school. Do you like Sylvia? Well, I like to go out with Sylvia and make out. She's a good kisser. But I don't want to date her officially.
John doesn't really like Sylvia. He said that he liked to go out with her just to make out. He said to his friend that he liked to go out with her just to make out.
Notice that after the verb say, mentioning the person is optional. He said that he liked to go out with Sylvia to make out. Or, he said to his friend that he liked to go out with Sylvia to make out.
Yes, and he told his friend that Sylvia was a good kisser. But he didn't want to date her officially.
After the verb tell, we need to mention the person. He told his friend that Sylvia was a good kisser.
But she's so pretty and friendly. Why don't you want to date? Ah, come on. You know me. I don't go out with only one girl. So, do you go out with more girls? Yeah, of course. I go out with Nicole and Barbara, too.
What a womanizer. I hate when men go out with more than one girl at once.
Yes, and he told his friend that he goes out with 2 more girls. He told his friend that he went out with 2 more girls. He told his friend that he goes out with 2 more girls.
Ele disse para o amigo dele que ele sai com mais 2 garotas.
He told his friend that he went out with 2 more girls.
Ele disse para o amigo dele que ele saía com mais 2 garotas.
Notice that in the second sentence, the verb go was changed for the past. When we use reported speech, it's common to change verb forms.
Hey, John.
Oh, hey, Sylvia. It's always good to see you.
Oh, thanks. I like to see you too.
So, do you want to go to the park when we leave school?
Oh, today I cannot go out with you. I need to study in Jennifer's house.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but my cousin's birthday is this weekend. Do you want to go?
Oh, when is it?
It's this weekend, on Saturday afternoon.
Saturday, I go out with Nicole. I cannot go out with Sylvia. I'm sorry, Saturday is not possible. Mike and I have an important activity on Saturday. Do we have an important activity on Saturday? Yes, we have. We have that soccer match. I yeah. We have that game. We play with that soccer team. We play against John Kennedy School team on Saturday morning, and against Abraham Lincoln School on Saturday afternoon.
Reported speech for requests versus statements. Requests. He asked Sylvia to go to the park after school. She told him to go to her cousin's birthday. She said to him to go to his cousin's birthday. Somebody asked, or told, or said to somebody to do something. Statements, sentences, or phrases. She said I can't go because I need to study. When I report a statement, I can use quotation marks and say the exact sentence another person said. But if I don't use quotation marks, I need to change the verb forms and pronouns. Using quotation marks. No quotation marks. She said I can't go because I need to study. She said she couldn't go because she needed to study. He told Sylvia I can't go because I have an important activity on Saturday. He told Sylvia he couldn't go because he had an important activity on Saturday. Notice that in the second column, we changed the verbs for the past. And we changed the pronoun I for she or he. In the rest of the video, we are going to focus on the structure of the second column.
John is a terrible liar.
Yes, but his friend helped him. He said they had a soccer match.
Yes, he told Sylvia they had a soccer match. Men are all liars.
Scene 2, more examples of reported speech for statements.
Wait a minute. Is that John over there?
Yes, that is John.
Original statement. Reported statement.
Yes, that is John.
Jennifer confirmed the man was John.
He isn't playing soccer with Mike.
Sylvia said that John wasn't playing soccer with Mike.
In both examples, I changed present. Is, isn't. For past. Was, wasn't.
And who's that girl? Oh my god. This can't be happening. Are they really kissing each other?
Well, they are definitely not playing soccer.
Oh no. John is kissing that bitch? She is and he's
Original statement. Reported statement.
This can't be happening.
Sylvia said. That couldn't be happening. Notice that I changed. This. For. That. I also changed. Can't. For the past. Couldn't.
They are definitely not playing soccer.
Jennifer said that they were definitely not playing soccer.
John is kissing that bitch?
Sylvia said John was kissing that bitch.
Notice that I changed only the verb to be for the past.
Well, I'm sorry, Sylvia. John Ryder is not boyfriend material. He doesn't deserve you.
I'm going there.
No, don't do it. He doesn't deserve you.
Maybe not, but I need to go there.
Oh, the video froze. I hate it when the internet fails.
Oh, yeah, sorry about that. But don't worry, it will come back soon. Oh, it's already back. Oh wait. Crap. It froze again.
Original statement. Reported statement.
It will come back soon.
Jane told her the internet would come back soon. In reported speech, we change will for would.
This Jennifer character is very smart. I liked when she told Sylvia that John didn't deserve her.
I agree with that too. Do you think Sylvia will really go there?
Well, I think so. She said she was going there. She said she would go there.
Oh, the internet's back. I told you we'd come back soon. Hi, John.
Hi, Sylvia. This isn't what you are thinking. She's she's a friend.
Oh, I see. You kiss and make out with all your friends then?
Well,
Who is she?
she is Sylvia, my classmate. She is a friend too. She's only a friend.
I don't believe you.
So, do you make out with this girl and how many? 2 girls? 3 girls? 10 girls?
Well, that's not important. And come on, girls. We are not dating officially. We are only going out. So what's the problem?
You. You are the problem, asshole.
Yes, he is the problem. By John.
Bye. I never want to see you again. John is not just an asshole. He's a terrible liar. He told both girls that they were just friends.
Yeah, and obviously Nicole told him that she didn't believe him.
Yeah, and John's explanation for his behavior was the worst.
Do you mean when he said they were not dating officially? When he said they were only going out?
Yeah, what a terrible excuse. And then he had the audacity to ask what the problem was?
Oh, oh, come on, girls. Don't leave. I love both of you. Don't leave. Don't leave. Don't leave me. I love both of you.
Oh, come on, John. Do you really think they will come back? No girl would come back to an asshole like you.
Yeah, I can't believe he asked the girls to come back. I can't believe he asked the girls not to leave.
Yeah, but he got what he deserved.
One episode later.
Oh, they're in the school cafeteria now. The school bell is ringing.
Hey, Sylvia, can we talk?
Nope, we cannot. I never want to see you again.
But I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry I kissed Nicole.
Really? I can't believe he tried to apologize to her.
And what a terrible apology. He just said he was sorry? He said he was sorry that he had kissed Nicole.
Original statement. Reported statement.
I'm sorry I kissed Nicole.
John said he was sorry that he had kissed Nicole. When the original sentence is already in the past, we report it changing for a different kind of past called past perfect. He had kissed.
Ele tinha beijado.
After had. I always use the third form of a verb. Examples: had gone, had been, had eaten, etc. Because the verb kiss is a regular verb, the verb forms are kiss, kissed, kissed. So in this case, the third form is the same as the second form.
Yeah, and probably more girls too.
But I love you. I love only you.
Okay, you are a pig. You don't deserve me. Goodbye, asshole. Oh, the episode's over. I hope they release a new episode soon.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my